The table shows the number of people in a car passing a set of traffic lights. So we've got the number of people in the car is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this represents the frequency. It says draw a bar chart for this data. So that's this. Here is the bar chart. So on the horizontal axis, you label 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the height of each bar should be the same as the frequency. So 1 is 8, 2 is 7, 3 is 10, and 4 is 5. The axes are labelled, the number of people in the car F, and the frequency F. Now, one point is important. This data is not what's known as a discrete data because these can only take on exact values. You can't have 1.5 person in a car, for example. These can only take on values 1, 2, 3, 4 in this experiment. Therefore, there needs to be a gap between each of the bars. So make sure there is a gap between the bars as the data is discrete, and the data is discrete as it can only take on exact values. Is quite an important point. Okay, this has been a very short video to show you how to draw a bar chart. Incidentally, this bar chart was drawn using GeoGebra. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.